Sermon number 130. When Abu Zer was exiled to Rabazah. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Abu Zer, you showed anger in the name of Allah, therefore have hope in him for whom you became angry. The people were afraid of you in the matter of their pleasure of this world while you feared them for your faith. Then leave to them that for which they are afraid of you and get away from them, taking away what you fear them about. How needy are they for what you dissuade them from, and how heedless are you towards what they are denying you. You will shortly know who is the gainer tomorrow, on the day of judgment, and who is more enviable. Even if these skies and earth were closed to some individual, and he feared Allah, then Allah would open them for him. Only rightfulness should attract you while wrongfulness should detract you. If you had accepted their worldly attractions they would have loved you, and if you had shared in it they would have given you asylum.